Share this video, guys. Let's go.
You can see that they get joy. That's my best mate. And if I had a look at life, I don't smile. That's what I move.
Share the video, guys. Let's go there. Let's go there. I want you. Share this video. When I share this video, one talk. Oh, dear man. Mommy, what's up? Not on the what can you I'm a tiki. What tiki. You never did. Oh, Jamie. Mommy, what's up, Moro? Share the video. Wait till Facebook when I relax. Let me just show. With my TikTok. Come on, TikTok. Then I let my fans know what TikTok see, and they like for YouTube. And Ziza, I wear. I'm a puro now. I say what I will. I'm puro now. Ebagua, I'm puro now. Esther, I'm a puro now. I say what I will. I'm my neck bill. Esther, not see your door. Esther, no love. If you don't be love, don't be a man who don't know. I say, well, I will. Esther, not see your door. Esther, no love. Esther, not a lulu. I'm on my funeral. Well, okay. If you do value, no, while I got away, I agree. I agree, Mama. No, what will be? Okay, my. Very important. Sorry, my agree, my very sorry. Every time I am when we live video. Very important. Okay, my agree. Sorry. No what? Problem. Okay. Your video, I did the WhatsApp, alright? Alright, now, thank you. I did down. What all? I want you to give you a chance. What do I must say? Don't you soon go? Apuro now. I'm apuro now. Esther, I'm apuro now. I say, well, I will. I'm apuro now. Esther, I'm apuro now. I say, well, I will. Esther, I'm apuro. Esther, not serious, dog. Esther, no lepo. You don't need a weapon. Don't you am a puro now? I say, all that well. Esther, not serious, dog. Esther, no lepo. Esther, not something. Don't you have your I'm on my hero. I want you. Where I put on you go for now. Where I put on Esther, I'm where I put on now. I say, what I will. Esther, no Ebagua. I say, what I will. Unu noya pamisi kaliponia me pedira wepo. Kaki piania me pedira wepo. I see you out. Unu to gaya moto. Unu na wafi yana. Toya toto. Uga yu weni toto. Esther Edokpayi. Iye-eki na wepo. Iye webukwana ogbogbo. Kọ̀mọ́kọ̀mọ́. Iye-eki na-echana kube webo. Awebukwana gị.
Esther, all right. Please, guys, share the video. Click the like button. I greet you. That's the word of it. Come on, buddy. Where you have the way. Now I say, I know you're West, where you have the way. When no, and now I said, I know you're West, And I was saying, I know you was you, where you big way. Where you big way. I was saying, I know you woman, where you big way. All right. Who are most to talk for national peace to peace and love of where we now stamina. You get my point now right away? Okay. Oh, I told. Why is there told what you are told that way as a Katoa Bonamila? Yeah. Every now one way. Hello, what I'm going to get not get one up here and here I see me go to wow, design. When I was said, why I make it while I got going on. You ask one big one, I eat the most of the flesh and leave the bone. You got the point me now. Esther. Also, on you know, say, aka Esther, lady of evil. The evil that she's doing in Benin is coming down gradually. I'm going to share this video. Before I go straight to Esther, I will first of all advise the men and women waiting for abroad. If you don't need a book, you can't put the men who are you can go and start. Because Esther now give me more encouragement, more agility, more initiative to start advising the diaspora people. We some of them not really know, some of them not the notice or kind things. We be say, I can't notice now for the people there for Nigeria. Although people there for Nigeria, although people there for abroad, these are two people. But many people not say, oh, Ebagua hinala. See me, Umenwan, they put onto the whole world today. Say, Edo's in the diaspora is different from Edo back home. The mentality of Edo's diaspora is far bigger than the mentality of Edo's at home. Both when they go as they come here, The mentality is different than the one here. I'm going to explain. Edo's back home, they have evil mind. They don't have human sympathy towards Edo's in the diaspora. You understand? Now, Edo were there for abroad. They get good mind. They get the heart of giving. They are givers. They give. Some people did this abroad. They'll get 100 euros for hand. Their person will need about 90 euros. They need to go do that money for tobacco. Go give them that money. They go no say they go they standard here. So people they here for abroad here. We there for Caritas. We government they feed, but they see the skills, small change. They regard people waiting for Bongo. Now, how many people for Bongo without you know go tell them? They go see say your friends they in Nigeria they come abroad. Maybe they give them one bag, one cup of gari, they can give you. Or maybe they give them one a week or one anytime. Go give this my brother. How many of our those back home have this mentality upstairs? No, they don't do one. Unless they get favor from you. Before a door back home go assist a those in the diaspora, you must first of all assist the 200% first. Not be 100, 200%. You know, they already benefit from you massively. To keep that friendship flowing, they go assist you, lead you. If a those in Africa give you 10 euro, 10 naira, they send you 10 naira, they use 10 naira, do help for you. Baba, you go spend 2 million. They do help for them. Who be fool? Who can be fool? Now we did the diaspora that be fool. They see most of these adults in abroad like Oswoyahin. If you dare, now let's watch what Esther do now. Esther last born Guguru Mamakba. Esther get the money to do that burial. 1 million or 2 million to do that burial. They go enter house peacefully. Esther bring last born Guguru and the family come out for social media. Make a dose in the diaspora call raise money for the burial. You open an account and it tell they say, make una not touch that account. From the not touch that account. Make the donate money put in. Nothing next week, he go come back, he go check the account. How much don't enter? If the money will enter, don't come reach from there, he go fill out. Enough I put to. in go feel like seriously. So mind you, that account now fit carry 5 to 10 million. Wey people dey donate put after praising the small girl, bring out the suffering of the family, how the penalty were, Papa stroke the whole arm, many stuff like that. It bring it for win the heart of the people. It show that sympathy. You know, it bring that thing where go be say it go shock now. They know the system to catch those in the diaspora. I don't back home know what they go talk on social media. It go weaken people with there, bro. Oh, this one they suffer. Wait till be 10 euro, wait till be 20 euro, wait till be 5 euro. We can just give them. Oh, I just pity this small girl. Now Esther bring this kind of thing come out. They drag the attention of the diaspora people just to fraud the diaspora people. Mind you, the account now is open. Esther said they don't touch that account until the money completes. Ma'am, where he wants. Now Esther, her husband, they work for governor office. You understand? Her husband is governor appointee. Who they bring for come on, they bring they come down. Admit they look anybody they come on, they bring they come down. Not a mistake, they can't come up. You understand? So your husband a government appointee. Esther not carry this children go give up Okpeworo. Esther get the opportunity of seeing governor or seeing deputy governor. He not carry go give up Okpeworo. He carry come social media, come give waiting for abroad. They could not leech money for inside. What are they wait to? I go tell them the secret of Esther and Destiny. The fraudulent act of Destiny and Esther. All these years. Because I want to know Bama, not someone ye, or someone ye, equal young. You understand me now? Now, Esther come make statement say, may they not touch the money. 2 weeks time, you can check how much don't enter that account. If the money not dissatisfied to her, she go still come up again. They go still sit down again. They go still hold meeting. They go still do live video. Still beg again. Make people still put money for the same account. That's let you just know what they do. You look people with their like fool. You understand? If governor of Edo State go feed from Edo State, they give the tier appointment, they give illiterate with for abroad for $100,000 salary where they pay them. You understand? Now, Esther now not get love and chaos for the diaspora people. Esther not get contribution where they contribute to the diaspora people. A lot of them is abroad. Una they buy for abroad. Una they go hospital. Una they go this one. You no concern, no support, no support from any of the family members of us. So when no matter for abroad, go there here. When our carry house give your mommy the build. As your mother build your own house, it build our own. As your mother knock foundation of your own house, it knock foundation of our own house. As your mother buy land for you, it buy land for herself. As your sister they buy land for you, it buy land for herself. As your sister husband they buy land for you, it buy land for himself. As your sister husband they build house, it build that for yourself. All now with your money. If you bring 2 million at house, they go use 1 million work for you. They go use 1 million work for themselves. Who be this person when they come on so? Now, as your sister they build house, they wait for you. It will be for herself. If you pause, well, my sister I never get money. Next month will continue. That's your sister salary. She go still pause for her own. Many of you are there here. Una they walk, una feel beautiful flat. Your sister get shopping mall for Nigeria with your money. If they balance, if they say you want to buy 50 bag, your sister go say a bag of cement na 10,000, your sister say na 20,000, na 15,000. They'll go buy, they pack and they go their own sites. They build for themselves. You were there, bro. You don't go complete your house. You go here, your sister don't complete house. You want pack enter. Your sister go complete house. You go pack enter. For those of you who watch me for TikTok, let's go to YouTube. Many things they will want expose about Esther. A lot of things there. I want to play video. I want to play some videos for Una. Una know the Edo talent hunts where Esther start last year, where they round up this year on the 14th of February of January this year. A lot of things they suffer right those Edo hunts. We keep quiet all this while. When I go see one video where they go viral now for social media, where they put Esther and Destiny. They put and they say, Oyibole, ole, Oyibole, ole, Oyibole, ole. And they put their picture, they sing, put now, Oyibole, ole, moto, ole, Oyibole, ole. Many of them not even know what they happen. When I come, when I teach up one expose Esther, evil Esther, and Destiny, Ebagua, the froster. Now teach up one expose them YouTube not why I expose them. Make the whole world know what in the suppo. Make the whole world know what in the suppo. Show me for my YouTube channel, sharply Umenwan TV, sharp as the hot. Umenwan TV. Yeah, they. You get one boy will win the car. That one they call him Osuyi Baba. I'll give the boy. I just give an opportunity to go the boy TikTok right now, sharply as the hot. May I mention the boy TikTok name Osuyi Baba for TikTok. And that boy then win that Edo talent hunt last year 2025, but they do in 2026. Then they take winner. The grand finale was 2026. That boy, if you now go that boy page, you go see the boy, you go see everything we go on for the boy page. How the boy take win the month to everything. You go see there. And I go see the write up with the boy right. The boy they drop some write up for them. So my YouTube name now Umenwan TV. You understand what this TikTok? I there for YouTube right now as I talk. You know they did live for YouTube. They script YouTube and they script TikTok. So I'm going to cut off TikTok and focus on YouTube because I get audio or videos where I'm going to play concerning these things we are talking about soon. Now, for those of you now waiting for abroad, you understand? The guy named for TikTok, the guy who win that grand finale, the guy named Osuyi Baba, Osuyi, Osuyi Baba, B-A-B-A, Baba, Osuyi Baba. Go check him on TikTok. You will see the guy there. You will see the guy there. So go to the guy page, go to watch, go to listen, go to view, go read what the guy writes. You understand? Just go through what the guy writes. So a lot of things really suck all this while. We don't just look up. You know, something we don't see. They will look up. I just they observe, they follow up, you know, because I know the strategy of Destiny and Esther. You understand? I know their strategy. So the way they strike, I didn't know, I didn't observe. You know when they strike last year, they collect better style. Esther hammer, Esther get money black bullshit, man, for that Edo hunt talent. Now, for those of you who don't know, Esther came out on social media, tell the world, say, he want to give back to the streets. Listen, she want to give back to the streets. She'll make money from the streets. She lives in the streets. She has made money for the streets. So there are other people out there who have talent who are suffering. So you want to give back to the streets. You want to pick the talent from the streets and help them. You understand? That was the main aim of that Edo talent hunt. And I don't we're happy. Wow, this is great. This is great. And those who daughters in the diaspora, everybody we're happy. Trying to support Esther. This is marvelous. This is great. Right? And you guys never knew it's another talent, another skills of frauding people back home. Not in the diaspora anymore. Because we don't drive them. Me and Word Up, they don't pursue Esther for abroad. For frauding him with Destiny. We don't chase Destiny enter Benin. Because the fraud of Destiny, we have exposed it to the diaspora people. Esther no longer get level again. Esther not because Europe become all show. Where everybody will go, they will go. You understand? Now, what's Esther doing now? Esther now focus back home. Oh, why you not been on? Oh, why you not fraud them? You understand? I'd be drop anybody with a climb up. And also make a bring anybody. Anybody where TikTok bring come up, drop them. You understand? Now house now. Now Esther and Destiny come the fraud. Yeah, fraud here the war. All right. How did they fraud them? Let's go to YouTube channel. Let's go and diagnose it there. Get a lot to talk about, but we're going to talk on small. To get video we will play. You understand? So for those of you waiting for abroad, where you just get all the full belief for Nigeria, for people, your family for us, your brothers and sisters for us, you are your own. People in Nigeria, they don't care for you. I don't talk several times. Say most of them will come abroad. So when Madam carry come, your parents sign for Madam to carry you come. They look you like him, ritualists. Sorry to say, I'm not trying to disrespect anybody. I will explain. Ritualists, if they use space to do blood money, for example, I use this comb. They come and BSO, they do blood money. Every time we are need money, they call this comb. Money will fall out. Money will fall out. Now, so many of us who are abroad be to our family for us. Whenever they need money for Nigeria, they will call you. Umenwan, that's it. Anytime they need money, Umenwan. Anytime they need money, Umenwan. Anytime they need money, Florenci, Giuletti, Mary, Osase, Osayamabo, they go they call just like that. Now what's the couple? How many of our parents go tell you say, Cynthia, Osado ya beer, the odore, udo beer? No, few. How many of our parents back home who can say, Cynthia, now, why my ye eh? Cynthia no man, what limina, and Cynthia, or the one man who make what's the care? Cynthia get bar, wah guero, me, mammy, don't want to but see, I don't go. And they are talking with that one. You understand? Because some of our mothers, I've seen a lot of people that they bad single mothers. Women are single mothers. Some of these women, their character make them single mother. Their husband, their people make them single mother. Their family make them single mother. Some women did this abroad. Their family no give them marry black. All my mother open your beer. No young woman, no go to my you see. I give away. Why have we married a dakiba? Why married dakine? We go gira, we go gije. Wahala. A lot of our women pass through these things. I'm saying today. That's to tell you how Nigeria, Edo people for us, Edo rates Edo's in the diaspora. The eye they look now, young boy na gozo. Young boy na evanaku for the level, manaku maku level, negiti level. You understand? I only hear the lower, yaki man bu. So when they were bo, we could not think twice. I know some people cannot help my family because me I get my own family. But before you help family, first of all help yourself. Okay, how your body family will work? How your body going? Get covered when who down the cover or everyone like bomb. No use all your savings because no man not well. Without you, they will leave. With you, they will still leave. Get that thing for head. If your enemy, your flight also no a pass flight come, your flight capsize, your mama will still leave. The poverty will still come out in 1 month. No be you want to educate poverty from your family. Now God. If God say you go educate, you go down. You understand? Many of us for their abroad, your parents don't care about you. They don't know how to live. Their own. Now me you bring money come. They want to yeah, I want grooming. Yeah, I'm susu. Yeah, UBA. I will go UBA. Yeah, I want meeting. I don't. Oh, yo. Say no. Yeah, I'm la. Yeah, I'm la boni. Yeah, I'm la sigudi. Yeah, I'm la sapeka. Different kind of society. You are back on wow. And while you are here, it's snow. It's sun. Over my only got boy. They will be working for peanuts. You go get them see. When they put when they driving license, your mother is driving Range Rover Sports for your sake, for your contos money. You live in abroad. Women Range Rover Sports. Women driving license. Other than can pay women. But if you have your Range Rover, and you think one more, your mother is using your destiny to enrich herself at home, and you think that's okay by you. If you have more than 70 stores, I'm not going to do every month, but you still place your mother on monthly allowance. Whatever. If you went more than 20 stores, no call that you go. But wherever, what had the government to do? You get social. You got more. You're going to use brain. It's when I went back to where he are a party. He got him and you know what? Belly cool. One go extra. We are so what. And you guys load you go do. I don't go. You go to the voice where now 12 cool. Over there, the money you are suffering for. As I'm speaking now, many people they shake for months. No, go walk by them. They put earpiece for ear. They did Germany, they did Australia, they did Sweden, they did Norway, they did Denmark, they did Russia, Moscow. Go there. Our guests they say cold Moscow as we talk now. I'm gonna go give you what I will be tea. Meeting and do. What an upside-down life. You think this people care about you? Even someone they come here like Esther Edokpayi, they know how it is. They will still sit down for us, bring initiative to fraud you guys in the diaspora. None of you sense. Or we in the go, well, but they are still bringing them, they are still coming out to show them to beg. Being a beggar of you, of you, offer on one. IQ. Of you, if you have beer, Oh, you create a good life in the beginning. But you don't get it. I will tell you guys, I will play a video for you guys. I was in their page. I've gone to see some videos. I don't know the talk person. If I want to talk, and they spoil everywhere. I will piece for their piece, I will spoil their jail. It's just the way it is. Look at my truly good town.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
I go mute the sound because of the copyrights. Based on my YouTube channel. You get my point now. When I watch. A second. Yo, Esther, we are back again. This time around, affliction will never rise for the second time. It rise for the first time because we want to see you. We want to know if you really have a heart. You have that good heart for the Edo people. Now let me kill it down with Benin. If you had the water, I'm 7 wow. I like that army. Whatever Esther Edokpayi. Or saw you no VCC. No, we are working destiny. Also, go no Ebagua. A 419 Esther pay destiny few years do it. But last year, the few years now. Oh, you take me. Nigger. Va bolara you go nigger. Oh, you take me. Whatever you motor now. This is the guy that I'm winning. So fortunately, you know. So let's go to YouTube. Let's go and showcase everything on YouTube. Because now we're there for TikTok. I'm not see what they play for my YouTube channel. Let's focus on YouTube. So I'll greet you all. I'm going to leave you guys now on my TikTok. Let's focus on YouTube channel. Sharply. I greet you now. You understand? Who are acts of a national peace to reign? You get my point now. All right. For my YouTube, I go mute the sound. I'm going to play the sound. I'm going to mute the sound. I'm going to listen. I don't talent hunts. This is the show. This is the grand finale of this show. One of the 6 shows. Who take first? Who take second? Who take third? And then yell. This thing happens in Victor. Victor. At least that could have been man. Hold on. No, do something. No, Umenwan do something. Mamureke. Do something. Yeah, do something. I'm supposed to do something. Yeah. Let me do something. Let me this. Let me see if you can work. Let's see. No work. Uploads. Let's upload some videos. Background videos. Let's see. What these videos are plenty. We'll delete some. Let's delete background videos. We'll do some background videos. That's why nothing they put. Get background video on place. No place. Okay. Because the background videos we are getting to play. Beautiful. Nice one. All right. This is the Edo talent and hot. Now, been a hot test. Edo best. Lady T, I greet you all on my YouTube channel. May God bless you all. I'm going to sit down. I know so many of you are going to shop. Waiting to talk. I'm not saying I talk. I don't carry the talk. Esther, Lady of Evil of Edo State. Esther will be saying who down. Not like a on a muhari agweze. On la music industry now, of music industry agweze. Then I hananya Pima. They don't even have governor anymore. We don't even know who's the governor of Pima as we speak right now. Esther destiny. Omuria. Every kid that's your boy Omuria lava. Omuria oligi almost lade. Yeah, the word that we hold. I go use Benin first, and I go use English to explain. This show was whosoever claims to be the winner, he go get 3 million naira cash, which is the cash you see on the background. The same person go get this car, Toyota car, brand new one, Toyota car. He go home with Toyota car, and he go sign the record label with Destiny and Esther Music, whatever. Or FP Entertainment, whatever names they call their record label. That is the agreement Esther make to the Edo people. Now, if you do, what are we? Also, you go say, where you Esther Lady of Song? It showed up last year or so on. All we have a year, a month the rule, the see one. Even opportunity you see. Il est quoi les avec mon avec ko no we want no see want ni e via ko gbe no we mu ni wo yeri mu moto ne yeri igo na 3 million yeri le on wan ya ro da yen on mu na le yen as an artist, as a signed artist on ata on a bien fond de la vie il vient de ro wa na gogo ma ya ga na ka na ga we don't even know the support. I don't know, man. They both the young shall grow. They started destiny. Every no man at least. I'm not even saying una. They can marry. They don't be aware. They might not be able to do it. Everyone, but me at you. No was no. I'm a Vienna. I'm going to make it. I'm going to my. Which was a very nice and a very good idea. Next time, we'll have you. Oh, my dear, I'm very where Esther, or where you get a fee, ever you went, and you bound in the room as I know. I keep Beleku, I keep for one a beru, a Benyame, the destiny of your Ebagua. Destiny, no Ebagua, no Nolo, a governor of those states. The Esther, you would die yet those who live well. No matter being upon them, what I do. I kept for one now. Near your field, yet the go a destiny yalatia. Okay, human trafficking as soon as you get your robo. On the F fever, the Bugu, Bugu. Then the Bumanati, you are taking that one. Zelaware or by our good talk by open up on Neko, we can mother. No, you take it, or get someone, or Jojo, I'm with her. At the Noah. O to market o solo bon po ge vari ya fe ke do se ke na o to ikbe o ye pe won duki ona mbuhu e wa we na ga vie mo le e we bo ba doke alamuge no e woni bun man ga see destiny go o ye na go le fois e destiny o be bagwa sa o gwe no be bagwa ona le mo di o be re ona le mu yo be na je. No way, I'm not going to be able to if you want to. You're the warrior Gitota. On that the weapon. Clear equivalent equivalent soil of your what? Of your thought. Where go Hakawa? No, ni emo yera, ni mo han, ni mo da point. Ni emo tinye, eri bien. Muadia we potoki. Yewe, a visarea. Nothing. I want to have the Google it here. Or get a uneso. A Sunday, so cook. A phone no way on a busse. I don't know if you for one and I have you for one. Here can with you our own. No, you know, I am like you're doing here with yes or me matana. We will do enough and where or movie or maybe the cool and young. I don't have the destiny guy will tell you. Opposite me if you marry. That's enough for me and I go. When I'm equally we go or you do know. Hey, move from one. That's not me for the Google. At the end of the night, then you go up one, and destiny answer. When my wife wanna a destiny answer. You want yet see. I see the lot of Bias, you go to destiny. I can't mirror or kind of short hair. or sorting yedo, ire ewebo. Na ya mie we ona yunu pa musika ko yedo lo we. If yedo ire webo iyan gwa gbegbe, ira gbe won e ma de ko ewebo. Hey de bo na mu yiso kada we. Owon ni ari ye wo gian, an ari ye yusere. E ho kede gidi mu egbe ne owa ima oni fi o ba te kare tani jeniyan. Agba wa gbe ba e wa na gbe won. Ye de bo na wo na mu yan, ana mu aburo. Ana wa ila webo. Nobody to hear your feel the coup. Ram hear you correct. I am here Esther. Voya coup Verona. Tinyate Banawa stage. Ebreza ya coup. Unogodo. Verona. Ikobo no kanwase mameri arewa. Ofia boy eri arewa. Esther this wa. Ona do mwe. Ona mu yona de keke e destiny. Because whenever o dewe bo ye gbene. Ona ge mu yono wadi me yikinare. Edo Talent Hunt 2025. Na ya gwalemo ni gwasi won na sinya tegbe. Ono mo ka o. Amu mo to den ali 3 billion den. O be signing a contract deal with yan. Yan sign the red label. Now, a black label you no go sign no. Oh, if you do you are giving back to the streets. Unknowing to the adult people, he was taken from the streets. She will share this video, guys. Look at the listen. She said she's giving back to the streets. Omakio to a very young where a destiny investor. Tia fear one go. Everybody red do the soap no wa. If BECKY the again, if a soap no wa, there's no anything total. Here na quick book. Here you have deceived the head of the go. Here you have fraud the head. On a moment that advisor. Et moi-même, tu m'arrêtes à Cobérien. Oui, avec tia, Maleke. On a quoi artiste, on y a dit. Mais on doit me la venir de et destiny resta. Et plan ni a fraud the head. Now, the ticket to this, the form was 10,000. To get the form, if you want to be a participator, you want to participate. Ou on débarre et challenge na wa ko si won se umuni moto umuni 3 million onu pogeba umuni 2 million nu pogira umuni 1 million I want to make 2 minutes moto I want 2 million I want to make 2 million I want 1 million that na 10,000 here ya dey phone no ya dey phone everybody more than 300 people with 500 youths in Edo State that participate in this adult talent hunt buy phone of 10,000 naira. Bought their phone with 10,000. Make a don't put the listen. Wow, that we heard you do. If you had a phone of this show to be a partaker alone, just to be a partaker alone, you go and get your phone for 10,000. Now imagine 500 times 10. 500 times 10 is 50 million. Calculate when you buy on paper. As you watch, like the video, click on the like button. Don't just the watch. When they click on the like button, when I carry the wrong paper, when they write 500 times 10. When I write in the comment section, sharp as they are. 500K. Times 10. Then I see for conversation. I never see how much. How much? 500,000. $500K. That's 5 million. That's 5 million. We don't know 5 million. No, what more you only hear me? That's 5 million. Now, that's stage 1. That was stage 1. The ticket now. All the contestants, they get their ticket and they start selling tickets. Tickets under 30,000 for tickets. Imagine they give you 10 tickets to go sell. For 10K, you sell 10 tickets. Automatically, that's 1 million. They give this one 10 tickets, they give this one 10 tickets, this one 10 tickets. Calculate how much. If you the wire down the hall, Jose Nesta, the destiny do. Last year stroke January this year. My people, let's leave the money aspects. Right? But have the belief from the beginning. I want to give back to the streets. That was the title. That was how he used to deceive Edo people. She want to give back to the streets. Now, 5 million. God bless you, Sandra. Now, the same woman now. The show continue. The show continue, bro. People go to enjoy the show. Now be sponsoring. See something. Now see the show. I don't want to play the voice so that this Akobe, this Esther, this is the boy that won. This is the Uyi Baba that won. Second contestants. See the girl. This here. We got a lot. Wagmo. This is the
sweet sexy peas with mama. I'm a picture.
See the car key. The body happy, bro. Esther, you too try for this one. Esther finish work. Esther too much. Oh boy, I remove car. I throw away my car. Oh boy. Don't believe when Esther do party with the pressure. But press Esther small. Esther to go try. Oh boy. This one you try. You finish work for this one. You try. When I get this boy congratulations first. When I told me I drink beer. This one. Oh, now they wait me a cost Esther. That's me a cost. I want to go for. I when I drink, when I write congratulations. When I write congratulations to Esther Edokpayi, the lady of song. That's what they do. If you do this case, me no get problem. You understand? If you do this case, me no get problem. When I congratulations, I clap for Esther. Oh, hey, they would know where. Destiny no God. Destiny no sa women no Ebagua. Destiny o sa we. I do my drink. Oh, you know. And so, if I see anybody write congratulations, Ogun will so for you Ogun. If I see you write congratulations for you Ogun here as well. On congratulations Ogun. I don't blame all this my fast. I don't blame you. I don't see me finish, Abi. We don't see me finish. No, I don't die. This social media, I go pack. So they don't see me finish like this. I see people that act like not right. I would have wicked. I swear, Jesus. So nobody will like. Jesus. So what is my fasting? So I see people that like Esther. I feel like crying. Hey. So oh yeah, pa. But this small toe, they don't get this boy. Jesus. I don't die. Bro, all of you that watch this video, Abi, for
sweet sexy visit, mama. I'm at a vision.
Sponsor of this wonderful and go talent. Come on stage. William, stay here, William. Sugar ball. Sugar ball. They're ready, sugar ball. My superstar sugar ball. Superstar sugar ball. Okay.
Yeah, go, my people. Oh yeah. What's the matter? Me. Oh, say the mama they happy. Oh yeah, I'm your go. I take go. I mute the sound. Go copyright. See the ball. See the friends. See everybody. See the joy. You know what it takes? Is street ball. Don't win car. It was 3 million. And people want to see as Esther, this quality of evil, as you wicked. As wicked as Esther Edokpayi and Destiny. When you are wicked, when you start zoom down, you boy na go, you na go be, Oviyen
Sponsor of this wonderful and go talent. Come on stage. William, stay here. Sugar ball. Sugar ball. They're ready, sugar ball. My superstar sugar ball. Superstar sugar ball. Okay.
My people. Now. Hello? Apa? I bless you. If you do, agree to now better style. Either if you go if you do, we just start. It's time to come up and tell the world. Now, I want to listen. Due to investigating this matter for the past 4 days now, 1 week now, when I see that picture for social media, I say, Oyibole, ole, oyibole, ole moto, ole, oyibole, ole moto, ole. Now, Esther and Destiny, they need to come out and do a video and let the world know what conspired between this boy and this car. Why this car was not given to this boy this very day. Number one. Because this boy won this car. It was a gift. It was a challenge. And this boy won this car. This boy was spent for it. Why this car was not given to this boy on this very day? Why? What was the reason behind this car? Destiny and Esther. Imela those tear why because the motor sagana when I know before. This one go too raw, no be joke. This one go too raw. If you not see your man motor boy now, don't tell me the whole world. And you are coming for part 2. Eba. Listen, Mr. Destiny. What down here now? You are coming for part 2. Part 1 where am I made the gifts? The contestants, none of them are happy. Because what you promised, you did not fulfill it. On camera, you tell the whole world you give them what you promised. Indoor, you collected everything back. Now, you better do the needful. Because I don't go this matter now. I don't see this boy YouTube channel and what's TikTok. No, I don't see. I never see YouTube. I never see Facebook. No, TikTok. I don't go see and write up for TikTok. I don't understand. So something that go on. Yes, something is fishing. Something is fishing. Something is fishing. I'm urging you now to do a video and explain to the general public what conspired in this season 1. Why was this car not given to Osuyi Baba, who won this car? Why was this car not given to him? I don't see the diaspora want to know. It is very, very important. We want to know. Because we build you. We make you who you are today. If you don't know, make you know. We make you who you are today. You are a lady of a skeleton of Igbowe. We make you to become lady of soul that you call yourself to be. Yes. You have to prove yourself innocent on this same matter. Immortal now, why you not give this boy this car? We need an explanation. It is very, very important. I'm not be joke. I'm not here to joke with you. It is now. Not be joke. You know me. Umenwan, the social media king. You know why I don't joke with all this kind of nonsense. All this fraudulent art. I don't joke with it at all. Let the world know why this car was not given to this boy after parading him as the winner of the car, make him to start this car, start the car. Another you collect this car from this guy again. Madam, they will not get problem for party again. You don't go easy for his land. You don't say you promise that you go kill me, but you not say they are alive, but your destiny don't die. If you don't make it know now, your career don't go down. They don't born your papa where to threaten papa with this man. For this life, they don't born you where. For the evil what you don't do, they don't born you where. You know, and you they feel out. Either you feel boy, my guy. You see for this one we just play now. You need to let the world know. This guy, you give her a car back. You go give her the car, you send over the car, you can't give her. Give her the motor, do video with her, post her, ASAP. Maybe after the guy will carry the car, go drive the car for us. He go this house, go do video. He go praise you, go sing. I don't know how to play it. I don't know. That's my business. But you will do it now. When it's time. Esther, you don't say, man, tomorrow I just click my account. I can't start my craze. So see, do it now when there is time. This video, I'm going to advise you. You see this hunt talent, go hunt you. I swear to God. This hunt talent, go hunt you. Destiny. Why are you now? This hunt talent, my brother, I hunt you with my guy. I came for one and do not. No boy bam. We don't know boy now. On our hunt you because why? Innocent children, innocent parents, innocent fathers, mothers in Benin. Now their money you chop. Now their owo now you chop. Now you decide, they don't call you, now you decide you want hunt talent. You want hunt talent for your selfish interests. And you put cash. Bro, give them their thing. It's very simple. You be big boy. You don't want to drag your name. If you want people to put your name for Poto, will rob them. Yes, sir. Umenwan. I'm not getting anything I want to do. I go drag you for this social media. I go drag you. Unless you give this boy a car. Or you give out a reason why you don't give this boy a car. Because I don't see any reason why you don't give this boy a car. Because you said the winner never win this car. You know what I'm saying? If they must sign, if they don't sign deal with you, so you don't give the car. Oh, hey, mama. You must know my guy. This is just the beginning. My Benin people, make una sit down, make una listen. Either if you boy. Inside there, so I'm going to be live very soon on my TikTok handle for the young stars. Them, that means those young musicians who know how to sing and play guitar. If you be a musician, not be master, you be apprentice. Because if you master, you can't know. Those people say you, I'll first scan you. I'll first wear you first scan you. That's me. If you be a musician this evening to get show, today is first Saturday of the month. Every first Saturday of the month we have show. Like this young talent, we're gonna do our young. We give cash. We all give a kind of after pay. We win your money. What you know? You understand? Next month we come again. You get me now. Something to do our own parent for you. So, guys, get ready. This evening is going to be bomb. Musicians are going to flow. If you want dance, relax, people dance. You understand? Inside there, so, Esther, this one a message to you straight. Come out on media and let the world know what happened between you and this car. Why this car never give this boy this car till now. After since on the 15th. I mean on the 15th. Since on the 15th of February. Up to now. This boy never cruise this car for Benin. We want to know. You think say we were there, bro, with Mugu, we know they put eye for ground. Would they look? Would they see what they saw for Benin? Especially for you and your husband, who know who not be for that Benin. Our eye, they look now. All eyes on you guys. Nothing. Today now, Wednesday, today now, Saturday now. We'll get there today, Sunday, Monday, at least Tuesday. Yes, sir. You try now, we'll try now. Tuesday now. Tuesday and Wednesday. This is. No, now 7. I mean, let's give it 1 week. Not on Friday. Not on Friday. Let's give the Nazi Friday. Let's see what Esther or Destiny will come and tell the world about this car. Not getting that issue now, that it must be about this car. About this car. What you guys promised this about this car? You guys give this car. Wow. Oh, I don't get problem. I beg. I just got beg now. Love when they watch me, so I get problem. No, I don't get problem. The people I get now beer. They all give me beer. We don't get what I do. I don't drink my drink. I want you. What am I drink? I want you. Now maybe your mozwo. Uno be color that fit the way more you wa. Uno be color me no. Smoke bola na me. Baba go the smell na me. One represent na me. Any name you like come. You know, I got nothing to lose, bro. You feel me so? But you must do the needful. When you do the needful, no get problem. Hey, I will praise you. Esther, go where you talk. No yawa. Esther, go where you talk. No yawa. Esther, go where you talk. No yawa. We say go where you talk. If they like me, that's in a way. If the last thing that's in I'm with this week, I'm with this week again, my guy. Now your pray go hot. You understand? Nobody your saga, my you do so. They saga bobozi. Ogboni when you go John Ogbobili. Ogbo. Alpha. You John Ogboni, they expose your secret to in a for one. You go John Ogboni, the body guard. What is that? All right. Please tell Esther, for those of you who love Esther, Esther love us. When I call Esther, if no one get problem with me about this car. Make you give this car to the owner. I don't know the boy. I don't even want to know the boy, but I just want me to give the car to the owner. I don't gather a lot of information about this car. The car today with Esther. Understand? But nothing weekend, next weekend, if this woman not drop this car, give this boy, a lot of things will be unveiled. And when they talk about this man, a lot of things will be unveiled. This media will bring smoke. I'll cast this media. I don't see when I find no me for this social media. I know they can talk. If I they talk, I they tell the people a solution. See, this you're not going to look me less. You're not going to look me, you're going to promise speed. If I can't verse, change them for now. Now, see, Frank Amozo, you know the pity person, not the pity person. Now, I don't they talk now because it's not here for the chop, not here for the chop. If I'm not me, already, and I go on away now. Esther, you must not give on. Basta. This boy don't get 1 naira to spend for this car. You bought this car for a gift for the winner. And this car should be handed over to the guy. This guy will drop this car out of this event that day to his house. Bro, which kind of person, man? Why our people, why they are all they different? Why they are all they different? What did they do for Lagos? Your young boys, they went for Lagos, they happy, they cruise town with the car, and they enjoy themselves. Why be you all the different? What give you the look at here? What give you the one on look? Why be you the different? Anything we come be almost on a kele. What are you doing? Why not? If I can go, if I can go ahead. But see, all this nonsense, I want to stop Pamo. This year got to go raw. Not go poor handle your collect. Don't be joke. I was what you here. The whole world don't see him. I go cast everybody. You never know me like everybody will go to that party. They go to my hand. Or to give this car to the tuna. You said that Kobe. You said that Maleke. I have all the details and everything they with me. Bro, the agreement you wrote with all of them. You never know anything. All the form go they buy. You want make me no constant call disgrace you. You want to they come for second now. You want to do part 2. No more part 2 for you. Unless you give this car to the owner. It is when you submit this car to the owner straight direct. Then you can think of coming for part 2. Part 1 never get head. You want to do part 2. Oyibole. I agree to now, but that's not for national festival. But inside there's someone I know say I'm waiting for John. Now get this half of this mess now. I'm sure I know. I'm using my brain. Yes, sir. I will leave you guys and I will see you guys later on my YouTube channel because I have to go and get ready for my guys. My niggas are going to play music today and we are going to dance, bro. It's going to be fun tonight. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be fun, bro. Don't go play. Don't go play. I don't get money now. 50K one share. And 50K no one support. No one join me now. People are greedy. No one join me, but they chop on the money from Nigeria. When I help people waiting for Bull on the stage, and they don't know going to pay off the gift pastor because you go also. Children within Nigeria, they will not support them. That's my aim. My aim this year is support the young ones. Not the old cabash. All those ones are old. Don't make me do. The young stars now, the young one, they learn music, you know. Support them. And I never know me because I see as I just like very crazy human being. Yeah, the way I also bring somebody come here, people say, I just interview and I just start of that things. People just say that person you'll be. All this one, the people their brother will deport the they're going to come out because I say, they're going to help them. They're not way my way, but anything you do now, you will reap for future because why? They're going to let things bad happen to you. You need help. They could see help you. You will not the help person. You will come crack with just with the help you. Who want help you?
I've come return match. This is return match. The first challenge after 1 minute. Now, after winning, sorry. Which should you want to take? Okay. Now, the benefit is whoever has finished 2 to 3 at first and look his or her soup will eat this alone. So, Asa, let's start. Let's start for washing hands. By washing our hands, no. I think it's on Aproko. there. Not in like, not in that day. Sorry.
All right, now let's go there. Wow. When I click on the like button, when I click on like. When I like this video, this one. When I click on like. I'm not to like video because the bed when I put it with this sub. And you look like a laugh. We love the laugh. But you come here, as we can congratulate us. I feel now. Today now I feel now. All this my fans say. Today now I feel now. As we can congratulate us, all of you calm. Nobody will press congratulations. What did they happen? What did Esther do now? Oh, let's talk why this film. Let's talk why. What's the name? 400 or something. They wash me. I said they congratulate Esther. Nobody write congratulations. Jesus. You know, okay, start you to the so it doesn't mean so of the other Esther not a bad person. Esther, even your fast day they wash. Esther Edokpayi. You know what religion? Who does he? Ew. I don't want to. They don't want the money. I don't want. Until you pay me. Now this is mama. The boy to mama today happy. The joy in the mother's heart that day. Oh, the joy was so massive. As I don't say just disgrace everybody we on that show. All the dignity people you bring to that show, the moderator you bring to that show, you disgrace them. It's so shameful after this great and the massive event. Women will come out on social media how you humiliate this great man. This great man, women will come out on social media. Go insult this great man. Edo-Pikin, this would name them. I go die, I go save, I go buy, I go there alive. All of them, just name them. Say Kobe, they with Pascal, the phone boy, old meat with the phone boy. We don't want old, we don't want to live on children. You understand? Just imagine. See a pa, old school people, old meat. See them. Oh, pay me, sure, I don't lie. Pay me sitting display. See me with the table. Oh my God, what a lie. See money. So upon all this money, when they spray this pool. Oh, bro, things they want to talk. See, because we know how as a scammer. They don't know how anything. See the mama. Well, the brother was happy. You know that kind of thing. But you see all this crowd. You also come out as a winner. Mama, Mama will get joy, the joy of that mother, the joy, the happiness. Man, where Azon, so painful, eh? Well, whatever it is, we just the start. This is just the beginning, bro. Don't go for one. I like you move boy, my guy.
Give us sweet, sexy visit, mama. I'm a prisoner. Also,
Was this real? This boy supposed to go home with 3 million plus a car. Was this real? Well, according to my investigation, this 3 million was sent a few days ago. Few days ago, they sent it 3 million because this boy, they said this boy don't they parrot, this boy don't they threaten to come out on social media, come they talk. This boy don't they write many things for social media. Esther have to send this boy 3 million. According to my investigation, so look on the year. This boy, they're constantly this boy 3M, but you not give him a car. You not give the boy the car. The car, they collect the car for the boy hand. They said that this place, after this snapping, this picture, and they already did come out, they collect the car for the boy hand, they collect the car key for the boy hand. The son, good. People, they scam, sharp. All of us that day, they think say this boy don't win this 3 million, don't collect car. We say destiny, why you want now? All of us say the truth. Alpha, bro. The Desco. Just say I did be too man. I scratch my hair. Let me scratch my ears more. Oh, this is my small head. This is my small head. This is my small head. He said this slap. Let the activate in time. Get the activate. It's my head, this slap. Wait for the activate time. I will leave you guys now. I will see you guys on my TikTok later. Don't play. Hey, you boy. You know the vibes now. You know the story. Well, peace for their peace will spoil their agenda. If they don't want to repair their agenda by themselves, they will call it. You understand? I say you'll be. Now bye for now. When I stay calm, stay focused, stay calculating. You understand? And stay update because we're going to give you an update about this show, life and the rest. I don't enter. Don't get me past. I don't enter, bro. I don't enter unless they will do the needful. I don't get problem with Esther. You look the way I get with Esther.